Hey, this is Brad with WTI. Whenever you're traveling, one of the most important things to bring with you are your medicines or your vitamins or things that you think you might need just in case. Because being on a trip and not feeling well, you want to feel as good as possible as soon as possible. And that is where this 7-compartment foldable travel pill case comes in really handy. One of the things that I really like about it is, unlike other pill cases, the tops on the inside are clear. So that way, not only can you see the shape of the pill, you can see the color of the pill, and you can even make out the markings on the pill. So that way you're sure to take the right thing at the right time, and whatever medicine you're looking for is easy to find. The compartment spaces are big enough to where you can write in the name of the medicine. I really like the magnet closing because it makes it nice and secure and folds up nice and tight. I also like the fact that the little compartments are easy to open. And when it's all folded up, honestly, it'll fit in your pocket if you need it to. It's about the size of like a large wallet. Or if you want to put it in your bag, it can fit in your smaller compartments and it'll stay nice and secure and easy to get to. So that's what I enjoyed about the 7-compartment travel folding pill case. And that's my point of view.